As we approach the new travel season in 2025, it's essential to be vigilant about what you pack. Many travelers may underestimate the importance of knowing the latest TSA regulations and bans on carry-on items. For instance, items you consider safe may now fall under the new restrictions, leading to surprising confiscations. To ensure you stay compliant, let's start with the first shocking ban: all liquids over 3 ounces. In 2025, expect a stricter policy that limits not only the size of liquid containers but also introduces new regulations regarding ingredients and packaging. You might find your treasured bottled water suddenly confiscated if it doesn't align with these new standards. Staying informed is your best defense against these potential issues. Next, let's discuss the second shocking ban coming your way. In 2025, TSA will enforce a complete prohibition on certain types of food items. Despite your best intentions to bring snacks or meals for the journey, certain popular choices like homemade sandwiches and fruits may no longer be permitted. This move aims to streamline security checks and reduce contamination risks. If you're considering packing your favorite trail mix or even a simple apple, think twice. They might not make it past the scanners. Instead, we recommend exploring pre-approved snacks available at terminal shops that comply with the new guidelines, ensuring you can satisfy your cravings without running into unexpected hassles. Now, let's move on to the third shocking ban that could catch many travelers off guard. In 2025, TSA will introduce restrictions on electronic devices, specifically banning items larger than a standard smartphone from being packed in carry-ons. This includes tablets and laptops, which must be checked instead. The main objective here is to expedite the security process and mitigate risks associated with larger electronic devices. Consequently, it's vital to consider how you'll adapt to these changes, as you'll need to plan for longer security lines and additional time at the airport. In addition to these device restrictions, the fourth astonishing ban concerns personal protective equipment. TSA will prohibit carrying hand sanitizers and disinfectant wipes exceeding a certain size. While these items have become staples in our travel kits, larger containers will not be permitted in carry-ons. This aligns with the TSA's focus on safety and efficiency at security checkpoints. Make sure to acquire travel-sized options to keep your hands clean without sacrificing your hassle-free experience. In conclusion, staying informed about TSA's evolving regulations is crucial for every traveler in 2025. Being prepared means enjoying a smoother journey and avoiding unexpected inconveniences. Embrace these changes, pack wisely, and you'll be set for an enjoyable adventure. Safe travels await those who plan ahead.